Hello everybody, I'm Deborah, as you know, and today I've got Esme with me. And Esme, I don't know how she does it, but she works full time, and not only does she work long hours, but also she does some other things. And I want you to tell us, Esme, what do you do?
Hi, Deb. Thank you very much for this opportunity. Firstly, I want to say that I admire what you do, and I wish to say hi to all that may be listening in. Well, what I'm trying to do is, way back I started with my blog, The Recipe Hunter, and that was merely just to log some private recipes. Eventually it grew, and some people asked me, why don't you start a blog? I said, well, me starting a blog? Okay, so I tried it, and things grew from there. I've been on and off dabbling in this, but I still feel that I'm pretty much a rookie in this. Trying to find my feet, and with recipes, it's not always a thing that you can maintain. That's why I actually then started to branch out and get into some other options, because I love to promote the other bloggers, and that has been supporting me along the way. And then there other branches grew, like the senior salon and boss and things like that.
Right, and so when you decided to, what gave you the idea to start doing it that way? Did you start off slow too, Esme?
Well, it was just sort of, I tried to think and come up with some other options, and just looking at what other bloggers do and not trying to imitate them and doing the same that they do. I just wanted to have something different and more variety than just pure recipes on the blog.
Yeah, okay. And tell me, where do you, I'll just click this off, where do you get found on the web? Whereabouts will people find you?
Sorry?
Where do we go to find you?
Oh, our blog is called EsmeSalon.
Yes.
And then on Facebook, I have various groups. There is the Sharing, Inspiring, Promoting Bloggers on Facebook, which is
that's sharing, promoting, and inspiring bloggers.
Sharing, Inspiring, Promoting Bloggers.
Right, got that order. Yep.
Yeah, it's a long one. There we have weekly and daily threads.
Yes.
To bloggers can leave their links and communicate with each other and promote their own posts and others' posts on their own social media. And then
right.
On my blog, where just recently, beginning of this year, actually, I started to do a group that's called Boss. And that is basically just to share, not on Facebook, because I found that a lot of the bloggers that's on Facebook has been, for some reason, ended up in Facebook jail. They cannot promote their links on Facebook. And then I decided, how can I sidestep that they can still promote their blogs and their posts? And then now, instead of promoting it onto Facebook, they can leave their link directly on the blog when there's a boss promotion. And I regularly try to do that once a week.
Oh, that's wonderful, Esme, because you've come up with a problem solution. Do you know what I mean? Solution to a problem. So that's great. Now, is there anywhere else? You didn't mention Blogaholics?
Blogaholics is just another Facebook group where any blogger can join up. There's no daily threads. There's no daily promotion. They can promote their own posts on a regular basis. I do not screen them. I do not approve them. They can post directly to the main threads.
Yeah.
And if there's any questions that any bloggers may have, I would dearly love them to post there, because SIPB is more for threads
Yes.
than questions. So
Yeah.
split the two open and then have the SIPB and the Blogaholics as two separate entities.
Right. Okay. Okay. Well, that's good. Now, tell me, why do you like what you do? Why do you like it?
To me, it is something that I can do after hours when I have time in my downtime, although that's very limited.
Yes.
But it's something where I can connect with like-minded people, and hopefully enrich in some small way what I'm doing and giving them an extra voice for their blogs and promote their work.
Right. No, that's fabulous. Now, people don't have to have a paid blog. They can have blogs of their own, because I've had a paid blog for a couple of years, but I'm thinking if I do happen to blog again, I'd use a free blog. But anyway, I'm just glad that there's people around like you that give people options, particularly in, well, it's not just the older market, but you cover a whole range of people who are bloggers and who want to interact and get known out there. And the option of the boss, what is it called?
Boss, BOSS, yes.
Yes. Okay. Well, that is a great option, because I know of many people getting into Facebook jail. Well, that's all we've got time for, Esme, because we're making it short, sharp and sweet. But you've been fantastic. It's been great to interview you, because you're full of information, and very confident in what you're doing, and I think it's just great. And right, if you want to find Esme and what she's all about, it's EsmeSalon, EsmeSalon.com. All right, so go and have a look, and if you want to chat her, I mean, she's got full days and honestly nights sometimes too, and I'm sure that she can point you in the right direction of how she can be helpful. Thanks very much, Esme. Take good care. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Bye, Deb.
Thank you.